To send money from London to Pakistan, you need to follow a series of steps. First, determine the amount you want to send and the exchange rate. There are several options to send money, including banks, money transfer services, and online platforms. Choose a reputable service that offers competitive exchange rates and low fees. Some popular options include Western Union, MoneyGram, and online services like TransferWise and Z Money Transfer. Once you have selected a service, gather the necessary information, including the recipient's name, address, and bank account details if applicable. Create an account with the chosen service if you do not already have one. Log into your account and initiate the transfer by entering the amount and recipient's details. Review the transfer details, including the exchange rate, fees, and estimated delivery time. Pay for the transfer using a debit or credit card, bank transfer, or other accepted payment methods. Once the payment is processed, the service will initiate the transfer to Pakistan. The recipient can receive the funds in their bank account, cash pickup, or mobile wallet, depending on the service and options chosen. To track the transfer, use the reference number provided by the service. It is essential to compare exchange rates and fees before making a transfer to ensure you get the best deal. Additionally, ensure the recipient's details are correct to avoid any delays or issues with the transfer. By following these steps and choosing a reputable service, you can securely and efficiently send money from London to Pakistan. Always research and compare services to find the best option for your needs.